Trying to cram 5 people into a regular Uber? Let me show you how to book a spacious ride for your whole crew, hassle-free. First, fire up your Uber app. Just like you usually do, make sure you're logged in and ready to roll now. Tap on the Where To bar at the top to enter your destination. Type in your destination. Euro could be the airport, a restaurant, wherever your group's headed. Select the correct address from the suggestions that pop up. Now, this is where the magic happens. Uber will show you different ride options. Scroll through them carefully. You're looking for ride options that clearly state they accommodate 5 or more passengers, such as UberXL. UberXL is your best bet in most cities. See how it mentions seating for 6. That's what you want. Tap on the UberXL option. Double check the estimated fare. If you're happy with the price, hit that confirm UberXL button. One last thing before you fully confirm. It's always a good idea to look for a small icon that indicates the car type and seating capacity. Make sure it aligns to an SUV or minivan that can accommodate 5 people. And that's it. Uber will now find a driver for your UberXL request. Keep an eye on the app to see when your driver accepts and track their arrival. Now you can say goodbye to the dreaded squeeze and enjoy a comfortable ride with your group.